How to fix Minecraft crash problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix this error, it's easy. All you need to do, just go to settings, then go to privacy, scroll down until you find the background apps, then turn off all background apps here just by turning off the first option. Let's move to the next step. Go to apps and then type here Java, click on it and then click on install, and after uninstall it, just go to Google Chrome and then type here Java download and click on it. Click at first website here, java.com, and then click download Java, and that's it. Then just install it and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.